Now let us take a look at operators in SQL. Okay, so operators are symbols or keywords that help us perform actions in SQL, whether it's comparing values, combining conditions, doing calculations, or filtering data. We use operators. Okay, so let's go through the main categories which we have, and they include arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logic operators, and special operators. Okay, so let us now take a look at the arithmetic operators. Okay, these ones are used on numeric values to perform basic math. Okay, and we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or modulus. Okay, and this one, the modulus, it is not commonly used, but it returns the remainder after division. Okay, so here we have an example. In VS Code we have created a file named name.sql, and we have this code here. Okay, so here, as you can see, we use the select command, and then here we use the as you can see. Okay, so we are going to see how we can use them. Okay, so here we have the add. We use the add operator here, as you can see, plus sign, the add operators. We had 15 plus 5. We are going to get 20, and this 20 is going to be in this add column, add result column. Okay, so we go to the next column here. As you can see, we have 15 minus 5. It is going to return 10, and we are going to return it in the sub result column. Okay, sub result column. Then here we have 15 times 5. We use the multiplication. Instead, for multiplication, we don't use x, we use the asterisk. Okay, so here we have 15 times 5, we are going to return 75, and then we put it in the result. Okay, for multiplication result. Then we go and we use the division, which is here we use the forward slash. Okay, 15 forward slash 5, which is 15 divided by 5. We are going to return 3, and then we store it in the div result. Okay, column. Then we go and we use the modulus. For the modulus, we use the percentage symbol. Okay, and here, as you can see, 15 divided by 4, we are going to return 3, remainder 3. Okay, which is 12. Okay, and then we have a remainder which is 3. Okay, so we have a remainder which is 3, and then we are going to store it in the mod result. Okay, so let us copy all of this. So let us copy. We copy all of this. Copy. Then from there we are going to open cmd, which is a command prompt. You can open any terminal, and then you are going to type there mysqld. Okay, which is mysqld. Okay, command, and press enter. Okay, and this one is going to start your MySQL server. Okay, so from there we are going to open another terminal, press the Windows key, and press cmd. You can use terminal. Okay, you can use the terminal. Okay, the shell commands. Okay, in Linux. Okay, so from there you can press enter. Then here we can log in MySQL. Then the user is going to be root. Then for the password, for the user, this one, for the user, then it's going to be root. Then for the password, we don't have any password, so if you are asked to enter the password, just press enter. Okay, so after doing that, we are now in. Okay, so let us paste all the result. Okay, that we copied from the VS Code. Okay, you press Ctrl then V. Okay, to paste. Okay, and for you, if you are using Linux, just press the right mouse of the button, just right click. After there, then you choose the paste option. Okay, so for us who are using command prompt, we are going to press Ctrl V to paste everything, and then here we forgot this comma. Okay, here we forgot this comma. We don't need to include it. So let us go back. Let us go back in VS Code, and then we remove this comma and we put the semicolon, and then we copy everything again. Let us copy again everything. So let us copy, and then we go back in cmd, and then here we can paste everything there, and then let me show you. Okay, and then we press enter. As you can see, we get this output. As you can see, we get 20, we get the 10, we get 75, and 3 point some decimals, which is 0000 to 4 decimal points, and then here for the mod result we get 3. Okay, so this one, as we have seen, it has returned 20, 10, 75, 3, 3. Okay, so let us now take a look at the comparison operators. Okay, for the comparison operators are mostly used in where clauses. Okay, to filter laws. Okay, so let us go back here. let us go back in VS Code. Let us go back. It is the one that I use when editing or when writing SQL commands. Okay, so for example, let me show you. We can select. I want to use lower cases, so let us select all. We use the asterisk. From, want to select from. If we had a table named employees, want to select all from employees, or the columns from the table named employees. Then we use the where clause. So where salary, so we specify this is the salary, okay? Salary column, okay? Salary column, okay? So where the salary column, there is some value which is greater than or equals to 5,000, okay, like that, okay. So this one, it is this one, okay, the greater than or equal to, okay, it is the comparison operator, okay. We have many comparison operators. We have the equal operator, okay. We have the less than or greater than, okay, less than, greater than, okay, operator, okay, which is not equal to, or you can say it, or you can use this one, okay. Question mark equal to that one. It is the same as this one, okay. It is the same as this one, okay. This one is the same as this one, okay. So that one is called the not equal to, okay. We have another one which is the greater than operator, okay. This one, okay. Another one is the less than operator, okay. That one, and we have the corresponding one which is greater than or equal to. We have another one which is less than or equal to, like that, okay. So we can use them like this here. For example, here we have used greater than or equal to. So if the salary is greater than or equal to, we are going to select those like those records, okay, where the salary is greater than or equal to, okay. And if we execute that, I think here we are going to get an error because we don't have a table named employees, okay. And when we try to execute it like this, we paste everything there. As you can see, no database detected. We have not created any database, and even as you can see here, none. So if you have a database, if you have created a database and you have selected it, and you have also created a table named employees, and it has the salary column, okay, and the other columns, you can execute this one, okay. So let us now take a look at another one, which is the logical operators, okay. The logical operators. So the logical operators, these ones, they combine multiple conditions in queries, okay. So for example, we have the AND, we have another one which is the OR, we have another one which is the NOT, okay. So this one, the AND, this one, all condition must be true, okay. Here, if you are using AND, all conditions must be true. I'm going to show you an example. And if you are using OR, at least one condition must be true, okay, for this one to be executed, okay, to get the results. And the NOT, this one, the NOT reverses the condition, okay. So you can use it with the NOT and the NOT, and if you use it with the NOT and, it returns all condition even if they are not true, okay. And for all, as you can see, for all, at least one condition must be true, and if you add it with the not or, you are going to get the opposite, okay. So let us take a look at how we can use it. Let's take a look at how we can use. So we can use the select command. We want to select all from employees table, then we want to select where we specify the condition, where we want, for example, if we add a department column, department, we could do that, IT department, and let us use the and. So and the salary column, there is in the salary column we have values that are greater than, okay, that are greater than 4,000, okay, and this gets IT employees who earns more than 4,000, okay. So let us now take a look at another category, okay. You can use the or, but we shall take a look at how to use all of them later, okay. So now let us take a look at the special operators, okay. These ones they include special operators. They include between. We have between. We have this one. Before we look at another one, this one, the between checks if a value is within a range, okay. So as you can see, we have an example here. We can select all from products, or from products, then we specify a condition by using the where a price. For example, if we had a price column, okay, price column in our table, between where the price is between, let us say where the price is between 100 and 500. Okay, so this one will get us all the price. Okay, where the price is all the values where the price is between 100 and 500. Okay, so let us now take a look at another one, which is called the in operator. Okay, it's there, the in operator, and this one checks if a value matches any in a list. Okay, any in a list. Okay, so let us take a look at an example. So we have select, we can use select, then we want to select all from employees table. For instance, if we had a table named employees, then we add a condition by using the where, then we use the for example, if we add some department column, then here in, so as you can see, I told you that the in checks if a value matches any in a list. Okay, so for example here in, is it in we can, for example, if we had the IT categories. Okay, if we had IT, we had the HR, we had another one like the finance. Okay, finance, like that. Okay, so with this one we can use, as you can see, we have used the in right here. Okay, and this one is going to check if a value matches any in a list, like this one here, as you can see. So we selected all from employees where the department in this one. Okay, we select all where the department is this one. Okay, so we can select all like where the department is IT, and even where the department is HR, and also where the department is finance. Okay, so let us take a look at another one, which is a like, and the like is used for pattern matching, like for pattern matching with word cards. Okay, word cards. So for we can use the modulus for many characters. Okay, and the underscore for a single character. Let me show you something here. So we can select with an example. So we can select all from. Oh, I didn't show you the like, so we are working with the like that. Okay, so we can use an example here. We want to select all from customers. If we had a customer tables, customers table, then we want to add a condition where the first name, for example, if we had a column for the first name, like, we use want like starts with a, then percentage, then let us use the modulus like that. Okay, like that, and this one gets the names starting with the A. Okay, it is going to get the names starting with the letter A. Okay, like that. Okay, it's going to get the name starting with the letter A. I think you have got it. Okay, so let us take a look at another one, which is the is null or the is not null. Okay, and this one checks for missing values. Okay, so we are using the is null, and even we are using the is not null. Okay, which is the opposite of the is null. Okay, so we can have an example here. We can select all from for example, if we add a table named orders, we can add a condition here where delivery date. Okay, for delivery date, then for the delivery date is null. Okay, so if the delivery date is null, okay, we select all where the delivery date is not null, which means oh, it didn't deliver. Okay, the things were not delivered. Okay, so those are the operators that we have in SQL. Those are the most used one. Okay, the most used one. Okay, in SQL. Okay, so play around with them. We are going to see the examples, all the examples. Okay, when we start working with the tables, real tables. Okay, with the data. Okay.